so many problems, not only in financial, and then also inside the house of my employer.
Sebab saya nggak ada uang.
Because I also no money at that time.
Dan saya juga
because when I come here, I feel comfortable.
just like I have